Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this TFlexCam training course, and the topic for today will be the customization of the CAM system. Um, these are a couple of very simple topics, and to show you how to do this, I've created a very simple model. Basically, this cube with this also square hole in the middle. And this CAM system customization, it is done accessing the CNC menu, and after we have this window accessed also by the CAM system options icon. So we get this dialog box when I click on in the icon, and the first thing we can do is to change the working folders of these 4 items: CAM libraries, post-processors, NC programs, and tools. So simply click in one of these guys and then change in this Explorer folder what you want as user. Then we have 2 other functions: the recalculate tool paths in automatic mode or not, and the possibility to disable also the tool paths every time we do a new one. Let us create one new toolpath. So I will create one 3D milling, a rough milling in the case, choosing this geometry here. And as you can see, we create one rough milling into this square hole. And now if I create a new toolpath, so new one, rough milling again, let us give it a new name, choosing the same geometry, and the path type let us change so that it's more visible, spiral this time. And as you can see, the previous toolpath, it was hidden, and we are seeing only the spiral one. So opening the machining manager dialog box, you see the toolpath 3, it's visible, and the toolpath 2, it's a little grayed out, so it's invisible. So this is the option about disable the previous toolpaths. Then we have this option also to make the recalculation in automatic mode if something in the geometry it is changed. And this is very easy to see also. If we go into the tree, or the E33, and make the addition of this middle geometry, so choosing the profile, coming to this side, and you see it is changed already. So exit, done. If we go into the CAM options again, and if you say now set this option, what I expect to happen, it is to make the addition, and now it should not make the recalculation, and we need to do something like rebuild to get this updated. Besides this, we have the possibility to show the Tooltips window that you can activate or not. So simply like this. And we have 2 functions to control the overcutting, or saying it for other words, if we calculate tool path, there is also the possibility to have a problem where the tool or the holder will touch the part in some place that is not the program. So these options will not prevent, but will make a warning every time something happens. And this is an option, the second one, up to first overcut, that when we are doing a simulation, if there is some overcutting on the toolpath, it will stop on that detection on that problem. So these are very basic options to make the system customization. If you need any help in some unclear point of this video, just contact us through the usual channels.